Go! Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning. This is me again, Johnski Vlog, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, gagawa po tayo ng tutorial. Tuturuan ko po kayo paano po ba ang tamang pag-harvest at paggamit ng Gcash Gforest. And by the way guys, I do cooking, unboxing, tutorials, travel, plans, and reaction videos. So if any of the above mentioned topics interest you, please do consider to subscribe. Tara na! Alright, so una guys, kailangan buksan muna natin ang ating Gcash App. At dun po sa Gcash App natin, makikita nyo meron dong G-Invest. Ayan, perfect yan dun sa mga gustong mag-invest sa stock market. Pwede sila mag-invest sa bonds. And meron ding Gforest. Whereas, eto guys, ang kinaganda talaga nito, ito talagang kina-interesan ko dito is yung pwede tayong magtanim ng puno without the expense or hassle na tayo yung pupunta dun sa location. Through using Gcash lang guys. May mga equivalent green energy. So for example, bank transfer 131 green energy. Cash in online will be up to 56 green energy. Pay bills will be up to 253 green energy. Saving money 131. Express send. And buy load. Ayan, may mga corresponding na green energies po yun. So, ang kinagandaan nito guys, 'di ba? Kasi normally, yung normal na mga panahon na wala pa tong fintech technology is we normally go to Bayad Center, we visit the bank to pay our bills. So, by directly cashing in to your Gcash using your bank and using Gcash to pay your bills and other agendas na kailangan nyong bayaran, not just only paying your bills but also paying your G-credit or yung mga credit cards nyo, yung mga utang nyo. At the same time, you are earning green energies. And then may mga corresponding po na amount ng mga green energies, which is kinaganda is pwede nyo pong gamitin once enough para bumili ng puno. Depende na lang kung saang lugar or proyekto kayo mailalagay. Or dito naman po sa second part ng ating video guys, makikita natin na you get to choose as well, or you get the chance to connect your smart watches or any devices health app sa Gcash link na to or Gforest link, whereas it could help you as well to gain green energy. Also, you can participate to choose refusing using a single plastic, so you can get another numbers of green energy as well. So you can earn energy points from green activities and cashless actions. Drop by a day after your transaction to collect it. Now, for you to collect them guys, just click Gforest, and then by clicking Gforest, dun sa ano guys, dun sa puno mismo, i-click nyo lang yung mga green energy dun. At you will earn certain number of green energies na po. You can be a green hero. So, this is exactly what it says. So, congratulations. We are one step closer to rebuilding our forest thanks to you. So, di ba nakakatuwa dun guys, kasi hindi mo magawang magtanim sa labas gawa ng sitwasyon na inahaharap natin lahat. Pero kung talagang gusto mong maghanap ng way para makapagtanim ka sa labas without the effort na ikaw yung physically bibisita dun sa site, you can use this Gcash feature, which is the Gforest. For the third part naman po ng ating video guys, makikita natin ano-ano po bang mga halaman, prutas, or puno yung pwede nating itanim using our green energy. So ngayon sa akin, ang available lang kasi karamihan out of stock na, Mamalis at Mulave. So I click Mamalis. With Mamalis guys, about 14,498 green energy is needed. So you can plant Mamalis. So click nyo lang yan. As long as meron kayong enough green energy, bibigyan kayo agad ni Gforest ng certificate confirming that we have received your request to plant trees in Luyang Watershed. Sa akin, it was received on April 30, 2021. At itong certificate guys is considered na valid. At the same time, makikita mo anong grupo din yung magtatanim ng halaman mo. So sila na guys yung magtatanim ng halaman or puno on your behalf. This is of course as part of helping rebuild our forest. So kita nyo rin dyan guys, ano pa ba yung mga iba pang pwedeng itanim. So tinry ko din itong Mulave, however sa kasamaang palad guys, no, hindi na enough yung green energy na available. So, pagkakaalala ko, dati, meron din akong ibang tinanim tulad nitong Nara. Kita nyo rin guys, dati meron akong tinanim na, yun nga, yung Nara. And, I think that's way back 2020. Kita na rin yung certificate number dyan. So, yun nga, sabi nila nakalagay. This serves as proof of the trees that will be planted for you. This will stamp when the tree has been planted at the site. So, diba? Imagine. Naka-stamp lang siya doon pero may pangalan mo. So you now have your ways to preserve and help the Mother Earth. Diba nga sabi namin lang. So, ayan guys. I hope guys meron kayong at least dagdag kaalaman na natutunan for tonight. Thank you so much again for watching my YouTube premiere for tonight guys. This is me again, Johnski Vlog. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like icon, and the share icon so you're always updated with all my video uploads. Have a good day. Care.